Let's get right into this, friends. Here we are on a freshly baked Windows server that I've called OraWin. Let me bring up an administrative command prompt. I've configured this command prompt to open as an administrative session. Just as a quick power user tip, you can right-click your shortcut and go to Properties, and then on the shortcut page you can hit Advanced and force the session to run as an administrator. If I do a Who Am I see that the box name, the server name is OraWin. I'm logged on as an administrative user that I created called Oracle. Come to think of it, I'll start with compmgmt.msc to open the computer management console. We should create a service account that's a non-administrative user, so I'll navigate into Users, right-click, select New User. I'll call this account Aura Service, and I will specify the user doesn't have to change their password and that it actually never expires. There we go. Aura Service is created. We also, I guess, while we're here, can go into the file system. Let me go to my C drive. And you see I already have a head start on the OFA. I have C App Oracle, and then you see Grid. As a matter of fact, I have Grid infrastructure and ASM already laid down on the system, so I already have, strictly speaking, an Oracle instance running on this box. I've gone to the Oracle Technology Network and downloaded the database binaries. I showed you how to do that in the previous module. You can do that for fun and for free as long as you have an OTN account. Download the 2 zip files. In Windows, it's 2 zip files. You want to unpack those. They come down into a folder called Database. And as expected in Windows, we do not have Run Installer. That's Linux. We have setup.exe. And this is the good old Java Oracle Universal Installer that we've come to know and love. While that's kicking, or while we're waiting for that, I'll let you know that I do have a static IP address bound to my network interface card, and I have edited the hosts file on this system, which in Windows, hosts is in C, Windows System32, drivers, etc. So I have some basic, some rudimentary name resolution happening on this box.